Today we are talking about solving logarithmic equations. And this means that you've got a good background in logs and how they are related to exponents. So today we're putting that knowledge to work to solve some log equations. Now there are two rules that are very helpful here in solving these log equations. The first one is called the product rule, and it says that when you take log base b of n and you add it to log base b of n, you're actually multiplying the m and n together, which means that when you take the log of a number and a log of another number, you don't really multiply them, you add them. The trick to this is they have to be the same base. Now, the quotient rule is talking about when you have a log base b of m and a log base b of n, two numbers there, that when you're subtracting them, you really divide them. So it looks like this, log base b of m divided by n. Now this is something that doesn't seem really intuitive. When you look at it, you would think that if it's saying that you're at it, or you wouldn't multiply it. Or if you're subtracting, you wouldn't divide it, but really that's what you do to make these work out right. Now we have our equation here that says solve the log of base 10x, add the log of base 10 3, and make this equal to the log base 10 of 4, subtract the log base 10 of 2. So we can see our laws coming into play here. Right here, we can see that because we add it, we are really going to multiply it. So it will look like this. Log base 10 of x multiplied by 3, which goes down to log base 10 of 3x. So half of our rule has been in play. Let's look at the other half. We can see that we are subtracting here, so we are going to use our quotient law and really divide. So we have log base 10 of 4 divided by 2. And what that goes down to is log base 10 of, well, 4 divided by 2 is 2, so that simplifies down to 2. And this is still equal to each other because it's still an equation. Now, because we have log base 10 and log base 10 on both sides, because those are equal to those, we can do some tricks and make them go away. So we actually end up with 3x equals 2. Now just doing some simple algebra, we can divide both sides by 3. And our answer is x equals 2/3. That's our final answer. So that was a helpful way to use the product law of logs and the quotient law of logs to help simplify it and get something down to a workable level for us. We use some tricks from the logs that we've done in the past and come up with our final answer. If you would like to take a picture of this or take notes on this, you're welcome to do that. Thank you.